In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download animated images and videos from Meta AI, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your generated images and videos onto your device quickly and in the best quality available. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI. This is the fastest way to reach the official site without worrying about the exact URL. In the results, click the official Meta AI website. It should take you to the main page where you can access your conversations. If you're not already signed in, your browser may prompt you to log in so you can see your chats. Once you're on Meta AI, look for your recent chats. These are the threads where you've been creating content with the assistant, including images and videos. Open the chat that contains the content you want to save. We'll start with an image. Click your chat to enter the conversation view, then scroll to locate the specific image you want to download. This can be a still image or an animated one created in the conversation. When you've found the image, look for a small download icon near the top right corner of the photo. It usually looks like a downward arrow. Click that icon. Your browser will either start downloading immediately to your default downloads folder or ask where you want to save the file. If you get a prompt, choose a location you'll remember. Give it a moment to finish, and you should see the image saved locally, ready to share or edit as you like. If you don't see the icon at first, make sure the image is fully visible on screen. Sometimes the controls appear when you hover over the image or tap it to focus. Now, let's download a video. Go back within the same chat, or open the chat that contains the video you want. Find the video in the conversation and look for that same download icon on the video frame. Click it to start the download. Videos are larger than images, so they may take a bit longer. Most of the time, the file will save as an MP4, which plays well on virtually all devices and editing apps. Once it's finished, open it from your downloads to confirm it plays smoothly. That's all you need to do. Go to Google, open Meta AI, find your chat, and use the built-in download icon on the image or video. If you found this helpful, pause and follow along as you download your own files, and you'll have your creations saved in no time.